Hello everyone, I hope you could learn all the algebraic identities. Now, on the basis of those identities, we will be doing question number 4 of exercise 2.1. I hope up to question number 3 you have done. In case of any problem, you can discuss. Now, today we are doing question number 4, part first. As we know, one identity a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, or a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. You can use any identities, this one or this one. So here in place of a we are having x, in place of b we are having 2y, and in place of c we are having 4z. Now put the values of a, b and c. It will be x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is equal to a square means x square plus b square means 2y whole square plus c square means 4z whole square plus 2 into a is x, b is 2y plus 2bc, b is 2y and c is 4z plus 2ca, c is 4z and a is x. Now after solving this, you will be getting x whole square means x square plus 2y whole square means 2 square, that is 4, and y whole square, that is y square, plus again in similar manner 4z whole square means 16z square plus 2 into x into y. It will be 4xy plus 2 into 4, this is 16yz plus 2 into 4 into z into x, 8zx. So this will be answer of first part. Now I'll be doing the most difficult part, that is part 6. Part 6 is 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 whole square. See, we have formula a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here a, if we'll compare this with this, then a will be 1 upon 4a, b is minus 1 upon 2b and c is 1. So 1 upon 4a minus 1 upon 2b plus 1 whole square is equal to x square. This is a square, first square means 1 upon 4 a whole square plus b square. Formula is like this: a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So we are putting all the values in the formula. This is a square plus b means minus 1 upon 2b whole square plus c, it is 1 only, 1 square plus 2 into a into b. A is 1 upon 4a, b is minus 1 upon 2b plus 2bc, this is 2 into b is minus 1 upon 2b, c is 1 plus 2ca plus 2c, c means 1 and a means 1 upon 4 a. If you will solve this, you will be getting 1 upon 4 square, this is 1 upon 16 a square, is equal to 1 upon 16 a square plus minus 1 upon 2b whole square, it will be 1 upon 4 b square plus 1 square, this is 1, plus 2 into 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4a into minus 1 upon 2b. So this 2 will be cancelled out by this 2. It will be minus 1 upon 4ab. Minus 1 upon 4ab. Similarly, it will be this 2 will be cancelled out by this 2. It will be minus b plus this 2 will be cancelled out 2 times. This 4 will be cancelled out by these 2 times. This is plus 1 by 2a, plus 1 upon 2a. So this will be answer of this. Likewise, you can try all the parts. In case of any problem, feel free to discuss.